Okay, so let's just continue the review about solving radical equations, grade 9. So this is for grade 9. So this is using the square of a binomial. Okay, so example number 16. So this is already part 2. Square root of x minus square root of x minus 5 is equal to negative 1. Okay, so the answer is negative 1, no? So since this is negative, the whole expression, so we need to transpose that to the other side of the equation. Okay, so if we transpose that to the other side of the equation, then this becomes square root of x. Okay, but this negative 1 here, we must also transpose that to the left side of the equation. So the green one going to the left side, so from negative to positive 1, while the negative square root of x minus 5 to the other equation, that becomes positive, so it's only square root of x minus 5. Okay, so to remove the radical on the right side, we will apply square. We square both sides of the equation since the index is 2. Okay, so squaring square root of x plus 1, we will apply the square of a binomial, that x plus y squared is equal to x squared plus 2xy twice the product of the first term and the second term plus the square of the second term. Okay, so you will use that to square root of x plus 1. Okay, so we will square root of x plus 1 equal to square root of x minus 5. Okay, so square both sides of the equation, left side and then the right side. Okay, so square root of x, since this is binomial, you will apply this one, squaring a binomial. We square the first term, so square root of x squared plus twice the first term, which is equal to square root of x, times the second term, which is equal to 1. Okay, plus square of the second term, which is equal to 1 squared. Okay, equal to. So if you square root of x minus 5, your answer is just the radical, because you will cancel the index and then the exponent. So the answer is just x minus 5, the radical. Okay, so simplifying, square root of x squared is equal to x plus, multiply this expression, that is 2 square root of x, then plus 1 is equal to x minus 5. Okay, so that is now equal to 2 square root of x. So you retain this expression to the left side. So x and x from left and right, you may cancel these two. Okay, so since if you transpose this x to the right side, that becomes x minus x, which is equal to 0. Okay, so that's already cancelled. Now, negative 5 on the right side, then if you transpose this positive 1 to the other side, that becomes minus 1. So 2 square root of x is equal to negative 6. So dividing both sides of the equation by 2, the coefficient of x, 2, divide also the right side by 2. So square root of x is now equal to negative 3. Okay, now square both sides of the equation by square both sides of the equation. The result now is equal to x equal to 9. So if we check, is x equal to 9 from the original equation? Okay, so if x equal to 9, then square root of 9 minus square root of 9 minus 5 is equal to negative 1. So 3 minus square root of 4 is equal to negative 1. 3 minus 2 is equal to negative 1. 1 is equal to negative 1. So this is a false statement. So since it is a false statement, then x is equal to 9 is not the solution, but we call it the extraneous root, extraneous solution. Okay. Okay, so next number 18. Number 18 is the square root of x plus 4 plus 2 is equal to square root of x plus 20. So squaring both sides of the equation, again apply the square of binomial. So square the first term, square root of x plus 4 squared plus twice the product of the first term, square root of x plus 4 times the second term, 2 is equal to, so if we square the left side, you need also to square the right side. So squaring square root of x plus 20, since the index is 2, then the answer is just the radical x plus 20. Okay, so squaring x plus 4, that is equal to x plus 4. Squaring x plus 4 squared is equal to x plus 4 plus 4. So I forgot to square the 2 here. So this is squaring 2 is equal to 4. So 4 square root of x plus 4 Okay, plus 2 squared, which is equal to 4. Okay, which is equal to x plus 20. Okay, so just retain this expression here, the radical expression. So 4 square root of x plus 4 is equal to x plus 20. So you may cancel the x. Okay, you may cancel this expression x, then the other x on the right side. So that becomes 20 is transpose positive 4 minus 4. So this one. Transpose the other positive 4, another minus 4. So that is now equal to 4 square root of x plus 4 is equal to 12. Dividing both sides of the equation by the coefficient of square root of x plus 4, which is equal to 4. So divide also the right side of the equation by 4. So cancel 4. Square root of x plus 4 is equal to 3. Okay, so to remove the radical, we square both sides of the equation. Square root of x plus 4 is squared, so just simply cancel the index with the exponent. That is equal to x plus 4 is equal to 9. So x is equal to 9 minus 4. Transpose positive 4 to the other side, that becomes negative 4. So x is equal to 5. So if x equal to 5, then square root of 5 plus 4 plus 2, square root of 5 plus 4 plus 2 is equal to square root of 5 plus 20. Okay, so square root of 9, so 5 plus 4 is 9, plus 2 is equal to square root of 5 plus 20 is 25. So square root of 9 is 3, plus 2 is equal to 5. So 5 is equal to 5. Okay, so 5 is equal to 5. So since 5 is equal to 5, you can conclude that x is equal to 5. So x here is equal to 5. So conclusion, this is now our final answer. Okay, so next number 20. So 20 square root of x minus 1 plus square root of 3x minus 5 is equal to 2. Okay, so we transpose one radical to the right side, the square root of x minus 1. So retain square root of 3x minus 5, that is equal to 2 minus square root of x minus 1. Okay, so to remove the radical, since the index is 2, we square both sides of the equation. So square, then square. So squaring square root of 3x minus 5, since the index is 2, we just simply cancel the 2 and the exponent, the index and the exponent. So 3x minus 5. So that is now the expression for the left side. Next, you apply the square of binomial here. Square the first term 2, okay, plus 2 times the first term 2, and then times the second term negative square root of x minus 1, okay, then plus square of the second term square root of x minus 1 squared. Okay, so let's simplify first the right side of the equation. So 3x minus 5 is equal to 4. 2 times 2 times negative square root of x minus 1, that is equal to negative 4 square root of x minus 1. Okay, plus squaring square root of x minus 1 squared. Just simply cancel the index and the exponent. The answer is x minus 1. Okay. Next is we transpose this expression to the left side. So that is now equal to 4 square root of x minus 1. So it becomes positive, which is now equal to negative 3x. You transpose the 3x to the other side, it becomes negative 3x. Negative 5 becomes positive 5. Okay, then 4 plus 4, then plus x minus 1. Okay, 4 square root of x minus 1 is equal to negative 3x plus x, that is negative 2x. 5 plus 4, 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. Minus 1 is equal to 8. So plus 8. Okay, so since the coefficients of each term, the GCF is equal to negative 2, then we can divide each term by 2. Divide this by 2, divide this by 2, divide the 8 by 2. So it becomes 2 square root of x minus 1 is equal to negative x plus 4. Okay, so if we square both sides of the equation, so since this one is still radical, so to remove the radical, we square both sides of the equation. Okay, 2 squared is equal to 4 times squaring this square root of x minus 1, the answer is x minus 1. Is equal to negative x squared, negative x squared the first term, plus twice the product of the first term times the second term, which is equal to 4, plus square of the second term, 4 squared. So 4x minus 4 is equal to x squared minus 8x plus 16. Okay, so this time this is now a quadratic equation. 16. Since you are dealing now with quadratic equation, equate the equation equal to 0. So x squared minus 8x transpose this 4x to the other side becomes minus 4x. Then transpose also negative 4 to the other side becomes plus. So plus 4 plus 16. So 0 is equal to x squared. Combining like signs, that is negative 12x or like terms, plus 20. So this one is 20 plus 20. So 0 is equal to, now this is factoring. What are the factors of 20? So that when added, the sum is negative 12. So that is x times x, negative 2 and negative 10. Okay, so equate each factor equal to 0. So x minus 2 equal to 0 using the zero product property of real numbers. So x is equal to 2. X minus 10 equal to 0. X is equal to 10. So there are two possible solutions. So let's check for the first one. If x is equal to 2, then 2 and 10. So square root of 2 minus 1, replace x by 2, plus square root of 3x minus 5, so 3 times 2 minus 5 equal to 2. So square root of 1 plus square root of 6 minus 5, so equal to 1. 2. So 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. 2 is equal to 2. So this is a true statement. We can conclude that the answer is equal to x is equal to 2 is one of the solution. The other one is we will try x is equal to 10, whether 10 is also a solution. So square root of 10, so replacing x by 10 minus 1 plus square root of 3 times 10 minus 5 is equal to 2. So square root of 9 plus square root of 30 minus 5 is 25 equal to 2. So this is now equal to 3 plus 5 is equal to 2. So 8 is equal to 2 is a false statement. So therefore, x equal to 10 is an extraneous root of the radical equation. So the only solution is x is equal to 2. Okay, so next. Okay, so let's see number 26. So 22, 24, similar to number 18. So let's try number 26. Square root of 2x minus 3. So x minus 3 minus square root of x plus 5 is equal to 0. Okay, so you transpose the second term. So square root of 2x minus 3. Transpose the negative square root of x plus 5. That becomes positive on the other side. Square root of x plus 5. Okay, so to remove the radical, we just simply square both sides of the equation. So square the left side, square the right side. So if you are squaring a radical with index 2, you just simply cancel the index and the exponent. Your answer is just the radical, which is equal to 2x minus 3. Okay, so therefore this square root of x plus 5 squared is also equal to x plus 5. So we transpose the x to the other side, that becomes 2x. So you transpose this to the other side, that becomes minus x is equal to 5. You transpose the negative 3 to the other side of the equation, that becomes plus 3. So x now is equal to 8. So if x equal to 8, then we will check whether 8 is the solution. 2 times 8 minus 3. Square root of 2 times 8 minus 3. 2 times 8 minus 3. Minus square root of 8. Then plus 5. Equal to 0. So this is now equal to square root of 2 times 8 is 16 minus 3 minus square root of 13 equal to 0. The square root of 13 minus square root of 13 is equal to 0. So 0 is equal to 0. So therefore, x equal to 8 is the solution of the radical equation. Okay, so reviewin lang mabuti. Repeat and repeat. 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. Hanggang sa ma-master. Mahirap pag walang mastery. Retention, mahirap yung retention na yan. Mariretain lang yan pag may mastery. Okay, good night na mga grade 9.